Today's story is Tad's Cat, Part 1. To begin, let's review some CVC words. Remember, a CVC word is a word with 3 letters, a consonant, then a vowel, then another consonant. CVC words use the short vowel sounds shown here. A says a like apple, say it with me. E says like egg. I says like iguana. O says like octopus. And U says like umbrella. Often in CVC words we come to B's or D's. Remember your strategies for B or D. You can use any of these strategies here. Remember to use them today when you get to a B or a D and you're stuck. With CVC words, we can sound them out. So let's sound out some of the CVC words we're going to see today in our story. Ready? Say it with me. Add, had. K, at, cat. Keep saying them out loud with me. T, add, tad. F, at, fat. All right, here we go. App, nap. App, lap. At, sat. At, tan. At, ran. At, bat. It, hit. And this last one is a CVC word with an ending. So let's look at the CVC part first. Add, tad. It has an ending of an S, so this word is tads. Nice work reading the CVC words with me. Now we're going to practice reading CVC words for fluency, so reading a bit faster and reading accurately. Say the sounds with me and blend together. Ready? Here we go. J, ig, jig. D, ot, dot. B, at, bat. T, ug, tug. Ut, nut. Ready? Keep saying them out loud. P, ot, pot. Hum. G, app, gap. Sun. Ag, rag. Great work. Let's keep going. Add, bad. Sob, rob. Add, sad. Mug. Awesome job with your CVC words. Now we're going to take a look at the sight words that are in our story. Okay, so we have several sight words in our story, and I'm going to go over them with you, and then we'll do a little game. This is the word his. The S in his makes the Z sound, just like in the word is. Say his. The next word is was. Do you notice the similarity between his and was? They both end with an S that makes the Z sound. Also in was, we have the A making an sound. Was. We have to remember these two parts by heart. This is the word took. Say took. Took has 2 O's in the middle and makes the sound. Took. This is with. Say with. The word with has a TH at the end that makes a th sound. With. This is the word liked. Say liked. The word liked has an E that makes the I say its name. Liked. And the D is making a T sound. So many hearts here. This is the word liked. The next word is the word play. Say play. Here we need to remember that the AY makes the A sound. Play. This is the word this. The TH makes the th sound. This. And it has a heart underneath, so we can remember that. Our last word is to. The O makes the oo sound. To-oo. So that's why there's a heart there. Out your highlighter or crayon and get ready to play Beat the Teacher with me. I'm going to point to a word. You're going to say that sight word before I do. If you say it before I do and you say it correctly, you will get to highlight the sight word. Let's try the first one. Say the word out loud. This is the word his. If you said his, you may highlight it now. Make sure to wait until you check to make sure that you said the word correctly by listening to see what I said. Let's do the same thing for the rest of the time. Say the word. Was. Highlight if you got it correct. Say the word. Took. Say the word. With. Say the word. Liked. Say the word. Play. Say the word. This. Say the word. To. Count up how many words you highlighted that you said correctly and write your score below. Then we're going to move on to the next column. We're going to see if you can beat your score and say even more correctly on this column. All right, get ready. Here we go. Say the word. His. Say the word. Was. Say the word. Took. Say the word. With. Say the word. Liked. Say the word. Play. Say the word. This. And say the word. To. Count up how many words you said correctly and write your total below where it says score. Were you able to read more words correctly this time? Last round. Get your highlighter ready. All right, let's begin. Say the word. His. Say the word. Was. Say the word. Took. Say the word. With. Say the word. Liked. Say the word. Play. Say the word. This. And say the last word. To. Count up how many words you said correctly on this time and write your score below. Did your score increase each time you did it? We're working on learning all of our sight words. Good work, friends. Now we're going to take a look at Tad's cat, and we are going to see if we can find the sight words we just learned in our story. Here's the list of sight words. You're going to be a detective and look for these words. Let's go ahead and start on page 1. There are 2 sight words on page 1. Look for them as I read. Tad had a cat. His cat was fat. Say the 2 sight words you see on this page. Did you say his and was? There is 1 sight word on the next page. Look for it as I read. The cat was tan. Tad's cat was tan and fat. There's 1 sight word but it appears twice. Do you see it? Was and was. Great work. The next page has 5 sight words. Tad liked to play with his cat. The cat ran and ran. Say the 5 sight words that you see. Did you say liked, to, play, with, and his? Wow, lots of sight words to find on that page. On this page, there's 1 sight word. Look for it as I read. The cat will bat at this. He will hit it up, up, up. Say the sight word that you found. Did you find the sight word this? Awesome reading, friends. There are 2 sight words on this page. Tad sat with his cat. The cat sat in Tad's lap. Say the 2 sight words that you found. Did you say with and his? On this last page, there's 1 sight word. Look for it as I read. The cat took a nap in Tad's lap. Say the sight word you found. Did you say took? Way to go, friends. Now we're going to read the story together. So I'll point and you'll read along with me. Ready? Here we go. Read the words out loud. Tad's cat. Tad had a cat. His cat was fat. Great reading. Keep reading out loud with me. The cat was tan. Tad's cat was tan and fat. Tad liked to play with his cat. The cat ran and ran. The cat will bat at this. He will hit it up, up, up. Great reading. Keep reading along with me. Tad sat with his cat. The cat sat in Tad's lap. The cat took a nap in Tad's lap. Great job reading along with me. Next, we're going to do some duet reading. For your duet reading, you're going to read all of the words in yellow. I'll read all of the words in white. So for this example, I would say Tad's and you would say cat. Ready? Let's read. Tad's. Keep reading all of the yellow words as you read the story. Ready? Here we go. Tad. A. His. Was. Did you say all the yellow words? Keep it up. The. Was. Tad's. Was. And. Tad. To. With. Cat. Cat. And. The. Will. At. He. Hit. Up. Up. Nice work reading all of the yellow words. Keep going. Tad. With. Cat. Cat. In. Lap. The. Took. Nap. Tad's. Great job working on the story Tad's Cat today. The next video that you watch, you'll be working on Tad's Cat Part 2.